Hey guys, it's me, Vintage Harbor Breeds, etc. back with another ceiling fan video. Today we're going to be filming this 52-inch Galleria ceiling fan. At least that's what I'm told by the whole chain fobs. I've also been told this is a Westinghouse Euro swirl, but I'm kind of second guessing that. If you're wondering about the second pull chain and there being no switch cap, I took off the original light because I don't like the style most of the time, and this fan is an outdoor fan, and that light kind of looks like it came off an outdoor fan, but I'm sure it was original because of that extra chain. But anyway, I got this from my step-uncle. He renovates, builds, and demolishes houses for a living, and this, along with another Galleria, were given to me because they didn't need them anymore. They were remodeling the house and they were putting in new fixtures, and then my step-uncle remembered me, and yeah, he got me these. Well, this, you guys can't see this one right now because it's at my stepmom's place. But anyway, I would say let's start off with the light, but took it off because I don't like it and it doesn't have the glass. So we're just going to start with low. This fan is pretty unique. To me, it resembles a Hampton-made Reddington because of the blades and blade brackets, but that's obviously not the way those ones were engineered. These ones are obviously just generic. This fan reminds me of one of those desperate companies that, like, just copies the copiers, like, say, Westinghouse made the Westinghouse swirl, and then Aloha Breeze ripped it off, and I'm sure Galleria started ripping off Westinghouse after that, but I don't know. That's just what my thoughts are leading to. Here's medium. This did replace the Hampton May Rothley. And I also did have that Hunter Allendale up, but for some reason YouTube will not process my uploading for that video, and I think it actually got deleted, sadly. But I'm not putting it back up there because that light, the bolts that are holding this thing up get loose easily when a heavy fan is up there. And the Allendale's pretty heavy, so anyway, here's high. It has scratchy bearings, but blows a good amount of air. And the ball socket on this thing is weird because the ball socket up there is not original. It's the Rothley's mounting. But if you just push it, the fan will, like, hang sideways. You can't really see it, but if you push on it, you just let it get to a certain point, it'll, like, hang sideways. So that's kind of strange, but it's blowing good air. And there's off. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Vintage Harbor Breeds, etc. out. Have a good day.